So, hello and good morning, everybody. Myself, CMS Sankit Pandit. Firstly, I would like to wish each and everybody a very happy and prosperous new year. May this new year fulfill all your wishes, passion, dreams, and all your dreams may come true. So, due to examination, I was not making video as many students were having examination, and examination is a very crucial part. They have studied for 1 year and they should perform well in the examination. They should not get distracted. So as a responsible professional, I was not making any video regarding examination, but on the same I was observing each and everything minutely. What are the things that are happening? I was constantly in touch with the students, and whatever problems you faced, I have already noted down, and I had already communicated with the institute yesterday itself with the very highest official who is there in the institute, and he has assured me that we are also watching all these things very closely and drastic changes will be taken. Our students are our priority and we don't want any student to suffer. So drastic changes are expected from the upcoming examination, whatever the institute is going to conduct. And these all issues which I am going to now show you have already been sent to via email to all the officials, and they will surely consider these genuine issues in the meeting and will try to mitigate all these things which have happened. That I can assure you. It's not just like making video, and I don't want to make video and gain some likes and views. That's why I didn't make. But on the contrary, some people tried to just encash it by making video. ये लेटर भेज दिया, ये ऐसा कर दिया. Their choice, their wish, their life. But yes, I didn't want to make videos and gain views and all. But yes, I want to do some concrete action on the problems which are faced, challenges which are faced by a CMA students. And I think I have communicated via telephone also. 30 minutes I had talked, and they have assured that yes, these all things we will surely consider in our meeting, and we will make sure that these things which are there should not be faced by the CMA students. And they have assured that yes, students are only our priority, so definitely students should not suffer. So what are the issues? First thing was that 15 minutes were not given. The reading time which was promised to you, that yes, 15 minutes will be given, was not given. I have highlighted them. Second problem which was there, that MCQ questions which were there. So some questions were big questions which were converted into MCQs. Like a question of segmental reporting which was asked in December 2015-16 for 8 marks, it was converted into 1 mark and was asked as MCQ. So yes, I have highlighted this issue also. In some papers, weightage was not followed. I have highlighted this issue also. If some issues you find that I have missed, because I am a person, I am also an individual. So, अरे ये नहीं लिया तुमने या ये भूल गया, तो you comment. Surely, I will take up that issue also. So, weightage was not followed. Like, for example, IBC should be asked for 10 marks. Sometimes it is not asked, or in I think OM SM part was not asked for 30 marks, which was earlier asked. So yes, this is the weightage was not followed. A very interesting thing regarding CFR paper, that mostly all of us have told that the Indian AS was not asked and AS was asked. And as per the study material and the notification, Indian AS should be asked. So yes, this thing is also highlighted. In some centers, rough sheets were limited. In some centers, rough sheet were given as much as they need, but in some centers, rough sheets were limited. That is 6 or 7 sheets were allotted. So yes, that issues also I have highlighted. One important thing, that if you want to change the line while writing the theoretical question, then enter button was not working. Like enter button, if you were pressing, it was not taking you to the second line or third line. Regarding enter button, as I had told, that the enter button, if you were pressing the you had to press 2 3 times so that the line is changed. So yes, that issue also I have brought. Also that numpad 0 key was not working. That issue also, the backspace, if you were clicking the backspace, then the entire line was getting deleted. So yes, these were the issues which were conveyed to me by all the students across the India, that yes, we face these issues. and these issues I have already highlighted with the institute. If some additional issues were there, so you please comment, that also I will take up. And yes, not making video doesn't mean that we are not doing anything, or we have not speaking anything. There are some other channels through which we are speaking. Always making a video is not required. And now I think I don't want to gain some views and some likes by making irrelevant videos. So yes, when there is concrete action which is going to happen or which is happening, surely I will keep you updated. And this is it. I wish you all the best for your results. I think foundation results will come soon. Inter final, whenever the things get clear, I will surely update, and I will come up with now study plan regarding June examination and all. And I feel very confident that yes, if drastic changes happen, if the institute considers all these things, then the upcoming examination will be much more smoother and much more efficient. So this is it. I once again wish everybody all the very best. If you have any things, any suggestions, definitely comment box on YouTube is always open. Thank you so much for connecting. Take care. All the very best. Once again, I wish each and everybody a very happy new year. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.